The Queen's Park Swizzle. It's balanced, cooling and bittersweet. Unfortunately, it sounds like it's named after a sex act somebody performs on themselves. Jokes aside, if you're a Mojito fan, you really need to try this out. And dare I say it, I think this is a level above. So I suggest you try it out or you're going to miss out. The ingredient lineup: got Demerara Rum, and I'm using the Eldorado 3 years, fresh lime juice, 8 to 10 mint leaves, simple syrup and Angostura Bitters, and you also want lots of crushed or pebble ice. This one is assembled in the glass, so I'm going to start off by adding the mint leaves. I'm going to give these a really light muddle, and then you want a quick stir to incorporate the mint oils into the sides of the glass. Then you want to follow this up by adding 2 ounces, that's 60 ml, of the Demerara Rum of your choice. I went for a lighter, lesser aged one here, usually they're quite a bit darker. Add 1 ounce, that's 30 ml, of fresh lime juice. Then add 3/4 of an ounce, that's 22.5 ml of simple syrup. Give this a quick stir. Start stacking up the glass with plenty of crushed ice, and you want to do it until the glass is almost full. Now this is a bar tool known as a swizzle stick, which is from the swizzle stick tree, which is native to the Caribbean islands, and this is a tool which is used to make these cocktails. Now you need to roll the swizzle stick between your hands, a bit like you're lighting a fire with a tinder stick. Keep on doing this until the glass is well frosted. The history of this cocktail: this is actually the national drink of Trinidad and Tobago. It arrived on the scene in the 1920s at the Queen Park Hotel, which is one of the go-to bars at the time. Sadly this shut in 1996. Okay, now level this off with another layer of ice. Now you're going to need to add a lot of dashes of Angostura Bitters. This is a local ingredient to the island. Give it a really good dash, like you're annoying someone by pouring vinegar on your chips, as you really want a good contrast. And the 4 or so dashes people tell you to add isn't enough in my opinion. Add a big snow cone to crown the drink. Then garnish with a sprig of mint. Okay, this drink is next level. Don't get me wrong, I love mojitos, but this is an evolution of the drink for me. I absolutely love everything about this. We're making this a lot more this year. Give the subscribe button a good dry slap, and most will enjoy. Have a couple more and behave yourselves.